Hey everyone, happy March 21st, 23. This is Danny Zen, author of upcoming mind spam book titled How to Die of Nothing. Danny Zen here. This what you see here is I just finished pricking my finger. This is to get my vitamin D levels tested by an amazing lab. That's the expert and the world's the creator of the omega-3 index testing lab. It's Dr. Bill Harris, PhD, out of I think it's South Dakota. Company is called Omega Quant Analytics Lab, okay, and this is their vitamin D test. This is my second follow-up since I've been supplementing and getting a lot of sunshine, although it's now officially the first day of spring. You guys can save 5% off of your test kit. I recommend the combination, get 2 of them. You save like $10, and also so you can see if your vitamin D sun exposure and or supplementing or with whole foods is working or not. Okay, it's very easy. After you pay for it, you'll get the kit in the mail, and it's got instructions, even a return postage paid envelope you can drop the kit into. I just pricked my finger. It comes with this kind of like self-contained needle puncturing device. It even gives you a couple band-aids and an alcohol gauze swab pad. And so basically it is you're going to be testing for your 25 hydroxy vitamin D3 in plasma, and it's using the gold standard LC-MS method. I forget what that stands for, but you can Google that, and it's, I guess, the most sensitive, so you know that you're not wasting your time or money, okay? And that's the simple steps. It comes with a barcode, and that you will want to write on. So that's the barcode that you'll write on the I guess the envelope when you return it. Okay, real easy. And then you just do 3 blots of your blood into these circles, and then just drop it in the mail. Okay, and then they'll have the results into you back as short as 4 to 6 weeks. Okay, comes with the instructions. And to save 5%, just use my Omega Quant affiliate link, which is tinyurl.com/know your lab numbers. You can also be tested for their vitamin B12 via the MMA, your, I think is blood sugar levels, hemoglobin A1C, for insulin sensitivity, I believe it is, and even if you're nursing or pregnant, DHA mother's milk test also, which is amazing. And of course their omega-3 indexes, they have 3 levels with different varying level of detail, okay? And that's the lab there in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. Again, this is Bill Harris, PhD, and his daughter, Christine Jackson, I believe it is. I'll have a link in the description below the video to their official YouTube channel. Definitely amazing stuff. So if you do order it, let me know, and hopefully that helps you guys out, okay? So, Omega Quant Labs. You can also enter my code, which is BetterBrain101 at checkout, to save 5% as well. I've actually helped over about 20 people with this lab test that they've ordered using my coupon code. Okay, so that's omegaquant.com is their website. Omegaquant.com, although it doesn't say there, but it is omegaquant.com, okay? There you go. Boom, okay? And then BetterBrain101 will also work in addition to my affiliate link, like I said, tinyurl.com/know, K-N-O-W, your, Y-O-U-R, lab numbers with an S, okay? So it's actually 2 to 4 weeks is the result turnaround, okay? Take care. Hope everyone has a great day. Hope this adds value to your life. Be well, since vitamin D hormone is more of a hormone than a vitamin, is extremely important to immune health and many other metabolic processes. Also has an impact on your sleep quality, actually, okay? I'll also plan to have a link for some videos by Dr. Stasha Gamenak, as well as an author, Dr. Michael Hollick, of the Vitamin D Solution, I believe is the title of his book. Those are some of the world's experts on vitamin D topic, okay? Take care, and feel free to share this video as well. Bye-bye.